To make it easier to understand Node.js streams, I think you should understand why JavaScript and Node.js work differently than other languages and platforms. In the early 95s, the JavaScript language was built to empower browsers, where users could interact with the web pages and the language would be reactive to their actions. You can imagine that a user is not expecting the program to close, but to keep responding to his actions. For example, while you're watching this video, JavaScript is waiting for you to interact with the page, clicking on the like button, scrolling down, and writing comments. It would react to all actions and then it starts waiting again on an infinite loop. Anything you do on a web page triggers an event, which is just an object with some data, and then it sends back to JS. On the other hand, JS puts all those events in a queue, an array where the first element to enter is also the first one to leave, also known as first in and first out, or just FIFO. This is the event queue that you may have heard of in JavaScript. JavaScript is event-based because it reacts to events. It maintains a list of events that happen, loops through these lists, and calls functions connected to these events. Going even deeper, we could think of what kind of events we could listen to on a browser. And the list is pretty much expansive. This means that we could go from simple clicks to the changes that affect user experiences, such as video or audio players, mobile capabilities such as cell phones, battery status, and much more. We can actually inspect what kind of services the Chrome browser is using during runtime, inspect them, and react to them as well. Just a matter of curiosity, going to the Node.js project and looking for the events module, you can notice that it's the part of the first version of the platform and works with the same idea since nowadays. Unlike the browser, Node.js doesn't have a view, so all events are actually related to the operating system events. That's why the Events API from the JavaScript in the browser is different than the Events API on the Node.js. In the next class, I'll introduce the Observer Design pattern by creating our first project in this course. There, you will understand events in practice and actually check out the power of the Observer pattern to use it also in your applications. Feel free to publish the projects you've been creating here on the course on LinkedIn, Instagram, and other social media channels. And of course, don't forget to mention me. I'm always available to chat with you on our Discord channel. Use it as much as you can. There are a lot of people switching jobs because of the opportunities they've been receiving there. Well, I'm Eric Wendell, and I will see you in the next video.